The primary issue many faced with the S23 Ultra was its susceptibility to scratches, which was quite disappointing. While it initially held up well for the first half year, it suddenly developed numerous micro-scratches seemingly out of nowhere. Interestingly, many users encountered a similar problem with iPhone 15 Pro Max, likely due to the fact that both devices feature the same glass material. But with the release of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung surprised everyone with the news that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a new Gorilla Glass armor, claiming it's almost 4 times better at resisting scratches than regular glass. Although it will take some time to thoroughly assess whether the S24 Ultra lives up to its scratch-resistant claims, kudos to PBK Reviews for taking on the challenge. In a nod to the renowned Mohs hardness test, typically associated with Zach from Jerry Rig Everything, most phones exhibit scratches at level 6, with deeper grooves at 7. However, the S24 Ultra surpassed expectations by enduring scratches at level 8, 2 levels superior in scratch resistance. It's worth noting that PBK Reviews did observe faint scratches at level 7, but they are nearly invisible on camera, which is undeniably impressive. The reviewer subjected the S24 Ultra to dust and gravel. The display emerged unscratched, demonstrating its capability to withstand everyday wear and tear. In a drop test, the phone did sustain minor scratches on the frame and a small crack in the top right corner of the screen. However, the back of the phone remained flawless. Investing in a case would be a wise decision to safeguard your device. Moving on to the teardown by PBK Reviews, the S24 Ultra received a stellar repairability score of 9 out of 10. While there are some complexities, such as internal components resembling a puzzle and slightly extended screen replacement times, the absence of glue issues during battery changes is a notable advantage. Thanks to an adhesive pouch and pull tab, changing the battery becomes hassle-free. Moreover, the phone excels in crucial areas: readily available parts, easy battery swaps, and replaceable components like the charger port. Noteworthy is the S24 Ultra's enhanced vapor chamber, 1.9 times larger than its predecessor, ensuring the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 stays cool under pressure. In a tech landscape filled with complexity, Samsung reassures S24 Ultra users that repairs can be straightforward, and the phone won't succumb to overheating issues. By the way, how is your experience with the Samsung S-series phones? Do you think this new armor glass will live up to your expectations? Let us know the worst experience you had with the Galaxy S-series phones in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.